Hi, my name's Enrico Cabassi. I live out on a property out on the Cotty Creek Road, Chuko. The property at the moment is down Healy Road, 101 Healy Road. And I've been farming this property here with my two brothers, Vince and Joe. And we also farm other different crops as well. We farm 220 hectares of cane. Also we had 20 hectares of pumpkins with a cooperative group who've been going for the last 6 years. As you know, Mareeba's a very town of diversity. It's got so many crops, and it's got a lot of things to offer to people that come to this town. Farming is a very important sector of Mareeba. It puts a lot of money into the township, and without the growers, the township can't survive. So it's very important people work together, and the more money the growers make, the more money they put back into the community. And also, like I do work for the community, I'm involved with Mareeba Lions Club, and I always try and encourage younger kids, like throughout the schools, or my young kids to get involved. It's very important to have people involved in community projects. It means a lot for the whole town, and it makes people feel welcome if you're involved with the community, and it's very important.